Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on LG Gram laptop. Begin by opening the control center. To do so, click these three icons on your taskbar, then click the Wi-Fi icon to make it turn the blue color, and then click the arrow icon next to it and select the Wi-Fi that you want to connect to. If you want to connect to it automatically, leave this checkbox checked, then click connect, then provide the password to your network and click next. Wait until you are connected, and right now you have Wi-Fi on your laptop. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.